Welcome to Lingualens. Today's French quiz is all about numbers and age, two things every learner needs to master, but which can get surprisingly tricky in French. Between spelling, pronunciation, the famous French counting system, and expressions like j'ai 20 ans, there's a lot more hiding beneath the surface than just memorizing digits. You'll answer 15 questions, 5 beginner, 5 intermediate, and 5 advanced. Each question includes 3 choices, and after you pick up your answer, I'll explain exactly why one option is correct and why the other 2 are not. By the end of this video, you'll know how strong your number skills really are, and you'll understand the grammar and logic behind the French way of expressing age and quantities. So grab your brain, your imaginary French calculator, and let's begin. Question number 1. How do you say 10 in French? The correct answer is A. 10. This means 10, the exact number asked. 12 means 12, not 10. 2 means 2, far from the intended value. Question number 2. How do you ask how old are you in an informal way? The correct answer is B. Tu as quel âge? This is the natural, everyday informal way to ask someone's age in French. Quel âge avez-vous is a formal version. Not incorrect, but doesn't match informal. C means where is your age, which is nonsensical. Question number 3. Which answer means I am 20 years old? The correct answer is A. J'ai 20 ans. Why A is correct? French uses avoir, to have, for expressing age. I have 20 years. B uses être, which is incorrect for age. C is an incorrect word order. Question number 4. What is the number 30 in French? The correct answer is A. 30. 30 means 30. B. 13 is 13, and C. 3 is 3. Question number 5. How do you say 0 in French? The correct answer is A. 0. 0 is the standard number 0 in French. B. Vide means empty, not 0. C. Nul can mean useless or bad, not the number 0. And now the intermediate questions. Question number 6. Which number is spelled correctly? The correct answer is A. 40. 40 is the correct spelling for 40. B is not a French word. C, adding ez is incorrect. Verbs end with ez, not numbers. Question number 7. How do you say he is 17 years old? The correct answer is A. 17 ans. 17 ans is the correct spelling for 17. B is not a French word. C, adding ez is incorrect. Verbs end with ez, not numbers. Question number 8. How do you say he is 17 years old? The correct answer is A. 17 ans. 17 ans is the correct spelling for 17. Question number 9. How do you say he is The correct answer is B. Il a 17 ans. Age uses avoir. Il a plus number plus an. A uses être, which is incorrect for age. C, année, is used for durations, not age. Question number 8. What does soixante-dix mean? The correct answer is A, 70. In France, 70 is 60 plus 10, so soixante-dix literally means 60-10. B, 60 is 60. C, 16 is 16. Question number 9. How do you write the number 95 in French? The correct answer is A, quatre-vingt-quinze. The correct structure is 80 plus 15, quatre-vingt-quinze. 80 does not take an S before another number. In B, the extra S is incorrect in this context. And C breaks the standard French numeric structure. Question number 10. What is 100 in French? The correct answer is A, 100. 100 is 100. B, centime means a small monetary unit. C, cendre means ashes. And now let's finish with the advanced question. Question number 11. Which sentence is grammatically correct? The correct answer is B. J'ai vécu en France il y a 20 ans. Age and durations use en, not année, in expression with il y a. It is the natural idiomatic form. A sounds unnatural with il y a. C is overly heavy and unnatural phrasing. Question number 12. What does vingtaine mean? The correct answer is B, around 20. The suffix n means approximately, so vingtaine means about 20. A, exactly 20 is 20, and C, 20,000 is 20,000. Question number 13. Which number is written correctly in French? The correct answer is C, 240. 100 takes an S only when it is exactly multiplied. For example, 200. But when followed by another number, the S disappears. 240. A is an incorrect hyphenation. B, 100 is wrong because the number continues afterward. Question number 14. Which sentence correctly expresses an age comparison? The correct answer is A. Elle est plus âgée que moi. Comparatives using adjectives require être plus plus adjective plus que. In B, mixing avoir with an adjective is incorrect. And C, plus âge is grammatically impossible. Final question. What does un chiffre approximatif refer to? The correct answer is B, an estimated number. Approximative means not exact, indicating an estimate. A is the opposite meaning. C, no relation to spelling mistakes. Great job! You've completed the French numbers and age test. Let's see where you stand. If you got between 0 to 5 correct answers, you're still a beginner, but you're building the foundation you need. If you've got between 6 to 10 correct answers, you are solid intermediate. You can express age, count accurately, and avoid the most common mistakes. if you've got between 11 to 15 correct answers, excellent work! You have an advanced understanding of French numbers and expressions. If you enjoyed this test, don't stop here. I've created many other quizzes on different topics like greetings, family members, daily routines, and much more. These tests help you measure your level while learning real French at the same time. So check out the other test videos on the channel, subscribe to Lingualens, and let me know in the comments which topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. À bientôt!